Oh, happy day! The cabinets are being put in.
Love the back of the island. This is so pretty.
This island turned out to be a beast to work with.
We're Dave and Karen from Wax on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy duty truck Leroy, our two K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video.
They had a heck of a time trying to get this island level. You had to get it level side to side, front to back, top to bottom. Otherwise, when you put a big slab of quartz on top of it, if there's pockets underneath it, then it can crack. So they came out, I believe it was 4 different times, different people, trying to get this thing level. You know, Dave used to own his own kitchen and bathroom modeling company, so he's going to keep his eye on everything. In the little cabinet in our bathroom, we found that they didn't put the upper cabinet centered between the two walls, and in the bottom, they had a smaller filler on one side than the other, and when you opened up the door, it rubbed against the baseboard. So they had to tear that out and move it all over.
They have fixed that. And we have our pocket doors now. I can't really pull them out. Oh yeah, I can. Oop, it's gonna hit paper. But anyways, we got our pocket door there and over here put in. Okay, hall bath. Cabinets are in. Smoke detectors don't have batteries. There's the linen. And you got drawers on either side of where the sink will be. Still got a couple of cabinets here that need to go up in the kitchen, which will go on that wall there on either side of where the range will be. There's the island. We'll have the countertop hanging over here, and we'll have 4 stools along there. And then we got a tray base, a dishwasher. This is going to be a farm sink, stainless steel. Then we got the trash roll out. This will be a compactor. We've had those in the past, and oh my God, do we love having those. Especially since we'll probably be taking the garbage to the dump on our own. Drawer base. Over here in this wall, this wasn't finished the other day when we were here. And wow, that looks cool.
Except they put the wall outlet behind the refrigerator when it should be on the wall on the left side of the refrigerator. So they had to move that.
Fridge goes there. That'll be a pull-out spice cabinet. Cans, goods, whatever. What this does, one thing, it provides storage for, you know, cereal boxes, cans, whatever. 2 of them here. And then when you open up this refrigerator door, you're not banging in to a wall. So you can open it all the way to get drawers out and stuff. Just some shelves over here. This would be coffee bar area. Sink goes there in the middle. Then you got drawer bases and just regular cabinets there. Microwave will go there. The very top we'll never use for anything, most likely. On the side where the range is, got some big cabinets here. They still have to put drawers in here and stuff, right?
Yeah.
And then we got the big drawers here. And then we got a dual fuel range there with a vent hood that'll go above it with a pot filler, and then duplicated on this side. One of the issues we came across here was here's the wall and here's the cabinet, and the wall was supposed to be more like here. So they're like 5 inches short. So now they have to take all this trim off, build it out 5 inches, and redo the trim and paint and all that fun stuff. The other thing is they did not put spacers in here to put the electric outlets where they're over here. They were going to end up putting them out here, and it's like, no, when you have your Instant Pot or whatever sitting here cooking something, you want it plugged in here. Plus there's going to be light switches there. You don't want to have to reach all the way down over here to turn your pendant lights on or to plug in your stuff. So Dave told them to put a filler in here, which they have a temporary one in here so they could run the wires in between to come out here where they should be.
Watch this.
What you got? Watch this.
Kind of odd. This whole thing. I walked in and saw that right away.
You saw that right away?
Okay.
No
That's why I was
kidding.
out here getting this.
Oh, okay.
Got fire out.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, you gotta be coming out here tomorrow because they're finishing up tomorrow. Yeah,
Oh, that's good.
gotta come out.
Yeah.
And then we've got our cabinets over here by the fireplace. And then Dave's gonna build cabinetry, bookshelves on either side here. Something else that we discovered, on both sides of the fireplace, there was supposed to be a wider filler so there would be some space between the stone and when you go to pull out the drawer or open the cabinet door. And then we discovered we had teeny tiny space there, so we had to have a couple of the stones replaced. Oh, no rest for the wicked. Well, we got our crow's feet stained and our shed roofs, but on the very tops of these it's going to be black metal. And we got our posts stained. There's the other crow's foot gable truss as it's really called. Stained, looks nice. These posts are cedar and the ceiling is pine, so we didn't know how well they would match, but I think they came out quite well. And then out back here, we got this stained. Very rich looking. Lots of character for out in the woods. And then we discovered that our cabinets are 15 inches deep, our upper cabinets. We wanted 12, which is standard, but we got 15 because we told him that this one need to be 15 deep for a microwave, and then we end up getting them all 15. But in the long run, 15 will be really nice for storage. And we got to do some finagling with the crown molding so that the door swinging out, being pulled out, doesn't hit the molding. The crown molding that came in is the wrong kind. It didn't match with what we have in the house here. So they gotta make new. It ended up being 4 tries at getting the island straight. They finally got it. We were able to put our farmer's sink in. Woohoo! The Countertop guys are here. They got their laser equipment so they can measure it all out for countertops. Big day today. It's Countertop day. But then this happened. We noticed that the sinks were tiny. They looked like children's sinks.
Yeah, this should be closer to like 17 and a half wide and 12 and a half deep.
Yeah, well, that's not what we're getting. So we told him to stop for now.
Alright, well at least they didn't overcut it.
Yeah.
They can fix that.
So this is supposed to be the countertop for our main bathroom. Pretty countertop.
10 by 15.
Yeah. And they're supposed to be more like 12.5 by 17.
So the hall bath countertop had to be yanked out and returned along with our vanity countertop so they could cut bigger holes for the sinks.
They replaced the stone, so supposedly, so let's check this out. Oh, now we have, do it again.
What they did, they ground it down.
Oh, did they? Well, we had like a 32nd of an inch, and now we got a 1/4 inch.
And it clears it.
It clears. And then you can open that all the way. You can still pull the drawers out, so that's good. How about over here? They had to do something with this one here for the cabinet door.
Yeah.
Yep, now we can open that all the way.
And where do you want to go? 79 3/8? 79 and a half.
Trying to figure out where the lights go. The perimeter countertops put on. See all the little grains in it? I don't know how well this camera's going to pick it up. Countertops. Got all this little black veining in it. It's the same stuff that's in the hall bathroom.
The completed kitchen and bathrooms with the countertops and backsplash will be in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.